Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you read by the title, we're gonna be doing a 10-minute makeup routine. Now if y'all think I'm lying, I'm also gonna time myself because I know I can get it done in 10 minutes. Like, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. But we're gonna get right into it, y'all. But before we do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Y'all, we are less than 30 subscribers away from 1K. Like, less than 30. Like, so surreal. I will be doing a giveaway once we reach 1K, so if you haven't already, y'all, go ahead, subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. If you haven't seen already, y'all, I did the 5-minute makeup routine and I feel like I did a decent job, but I seen some people in the comments talking about doing 10 minutes, so that's exactly what we're gonna do today, because this is for my girlies who have like 10 minutes to do their makeup and be out the door, whether it's for work or like a quick get ready with me, anything of that nature. I got y'all. So let's go ahead and get into this video, y'all, and I'm gonna go ahead and set my timer. All right, y'all, so we're gonna start off with primer. So I have my e.l.f. Jelly Pop right here, y'all. I swear by this stuff. Like, it is so stinking good. I just love everything about it, and it feels so good, especially if you have dry skin. So if you haven't already tried, y'all, and I think it's very affordable, like $10 or so, so that's not bad. Yeah. And I'm actually double primed because y'all know I love me a good double primer. I'm gonna go in with my Benefit, my Benefit Cosmetics, yeah, this one right here, the Pore-fessional one, and put it there, y'all. Nothing too much. Just make sure the skin is prepped and well taken care of. And I look crazy, so we're gonna rub and tap her in. Make sure we get the nose, because the nose does have pores, y'all. It does. So get the nose, the T-zone area, bring it out down here. Yeah, and then like the forehead and down here. See, look, now the skin looks glowy, dewy. Yeah, I love that. So next, we're gonna go in and do brows, y'all. I did the primer first, so the primer can sit on the face for a little bit while I go in and fill in my brows. They actually need threaded, y'all. Like, they need to be threaded so bad. But yeah, the last time I went and got them threaded, the girl messed it up, so I just never went back. Like, that simple. Is this the wrong eyebrow pencil? Y'all, this is the wrong eyebrow pencil, so let me pause. We got 8 minutes and 14 seconds, and I'm gonna run right back. Okay, I'm back. So you see my hand, finna play again, y'all. I don't know what happened, but I end up getting my Anastasia Brow Wiz eyebrow pencil, and I'm just going and fill. I'm not gonna do any gel or anything, y'all. I'm not gonna go in with any gel or anything, y'all. Just simply doing this on my brows. So we're gonna just fill them in as much as we can without doing too much, because I do tend to go overboard when it comes to brows. So make sure I get that front. Just flick. Yeah, that'll be good for now. Then we're gonna do the other side. Now, if you actually have some eyebrows, kudos to you. You can skip that step. Me, I can't. So that's that. So by now the skin looks good. So normally I will go in with a makeup brush, not a makeup brush, but a makeup remover, but I ran out, so I'm gonna go in with this brush right here and just kind of like smooth it out, but nothing too much, y'all. I got a call in the middle of this, so sorry. I thought it was gonna be like a straight, like, no editing type style video, but I lied. But yeah, so that kind of like cleaned up the brows some, y'all, but it didn't do too much, which is what I wanted. And I go around the top just to make sure the brows are how I want them to be. Then I'm gonna go in with my foundation, y'all. This is by Morphe. This is the Morphe foundation, Lightform. And put it all over my face. Yeah, I don't put none on my forehead. This is the wrong brush. Oh, I grabbed the wrong brush. Oh my gosh, I hope this was not a brush that I needed. But yeah, so we're just gonna blend. Yeah, this is already a fail. Like, I'm making some mistakes for no reason. Like, I decided that I was gonna have this pre-planned and pre-done, and here I am grabbing the wrong brush. See, and the skin looks so good and so glowy, which is what I love. So next we're gonna go in with concealer. Gonna use my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and put it right here. And I'm gonna bring it down some, but not too much, like to right there. And like some right here. And I'm gonna do the other side just to match. I still go in with 2 concealers, even though this is supposed to be like a quote-unquote everyday wear, just to give my face some dimension, because I really do like dimension on my face. Like, I don't know what it is. But now we're gonna go in with the setting brush. I'm just gonna blend all of this out. First, I forgot to put some on my forehead. That's tough, so it's okay. Like, look at that blend, y'all. Like, that blended so seamless. This is why I love this concealer, because it's just that good. Oh. Yeah, so I like how that face brought some little brightness. We're gonna put some here, down the nose, and right here, and a little bit right here, y'all, because I really kind of like how that be highlighted too, so it can look good. So blend down the nose. Yeah, like right here, y'all, like here and here. Like, see how like coherent that looks together? Like, it looks so good. Like, so good. All right, next. Here we go. So before we go in with the other highlighter color, I'm gonna use my bronzer. This is by Fenty Beauty. This is the Toffee Tease, the cream bronzer. Just gonna pat and pack it here, just to give the face a little bit of a dimension, but not too much. Y'all see that it shows up automatically? That's what we want, because we don't have time to blend and do all that. So this is great exactly just for that reasoning. Yeah, and then we're gonna go in and use the nose brush from Real Techniques. Y'all know I love this little brush just to do the nose. And like, bring it up. I always bring it up here, y'all, just so it can look seamless together. Yeah, that looks so good to me. And if it's too harsh for y'all, just go in with that concealer brush to blend her out a little bit more. Yeah, so now we're gonna go in and use this here and here. Nothing too much, y'all, because I don't want to brighten too much. But now we're gonna go in with blush. We're gonna use my e.l.f. Camo blush and Gorge Orange. Y'all know it's fall season and I love me a good orange blush. Just 2 dots, because I'm thinking for like a highlighted look, y'all, that we come back in and we use this one in general to like blend on top of the powders and stuff, just so it won't look crazy. I think that's the brush I used. So we're gonna go in with this one and like blend, but like, look at that. Like, that color is so amazing. It kind of looks weird because I used the wrong brush for my foundation, so we're gonna go in with a little bit more and just blend, because that color payoff, yes ma'am, that's what we're loving. We're gonna do it on this side. Yeah, see, that looks good. So we're gonna take that setting brush earlier from the concealer and blend this out. And if you want that sharp, bring it up there. I love doing that, y'all. It just makes the makeup come together. And do y'all be making like weird faces when you're like doing your concealers because you don't want it to crease? Like, I cannot be the only person that does that. I've seen somebody do it like so easy that their face looked flawless, and I tried that and I was like a crease magnet. Like, it was crazy. But and I'm just go up here just to make sure I have that brightness, that color, and everything of that nature. And then now we're gonna set. We're gonna take the Huda Beauty setting powder. Here we go. Tap some out. Take my brush. Tap, tap, tap. Set. Set on this end as well. And then we're gonna go up here and set down here. Yeah. Take a little bit more and go over the blush. So I'm not gonna use a powder blush out because I don't want to over blush. So I'm just gonna take my setting powder and go on top of it. And as you can see, like that will diffuse it out where it's like a flush of color. That's what we like about this look in general. And then I'm gonna go in with bronzer, y'all. This is Fenty Beauty as well, and Thick Mint or whatever it's called. Taking my brush. Yeah, see, that's so pretty. And I just set everywhere where that bronzer is at. I should have tied my hair up a little bit better, y'all, because I did not tie it up and do a good job at that at all. And I need to be careful because I'm gonna get this bronzer everywhere. I'm gonna be mad when I do. Like that just brought the face together. I'm gonna take my brush again, the small one, and like go over the nose, steady hand, down, yeah, just like that. And then we have lips. I'm gonna take my MAC Cosmetic lip liner. Just to give it like some definition. And I don't go in with a lip gloss. I mean, not a lip gloss, a lipstick, but I go in with a lip oil. Just to give it something. I use the orange one since I got an orange blush, y'all, so it can look kind of coherent, if you get what I'm saying. And last is mascara. How many seconds I got? I got 20 seconds. Like 20 seconds, y'all. So let's do a little something. Just top, no bottom. I don't really like doing bottoms when it's like a everyday. Don't ask me why. All right, y'all, that is it. That was 10 minutes. I'm finishing up my mascara, so don't dock me. All right, everyone, that is it for today's video. Like, what do y'all think? Like, for every day, I like kind of like a dewy, glowy look, which is why the face will look glowy. Like, it's a look good. That's why I love going in with this e.l.f. Camo, not e.l.f. Camo, e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer. This is that girl for sure. Mixed with the foundation, definitely glowing, definitely glowing from within. Don't need a highlighter, as you can see. Don't need a highlighter. But this is what the face is looking like, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Do we like it? Is it too dewy for you? Like, should I like matte it down some more? But like, I do like it. Like that glow. First of all, that area, like the orange and y'all, looks so stinking good. For 10 minutes though, that was actually pretty well, like pretty well done. There between this one and the 5-minute one, I went in with the foundation this time, and I also went in with a brightening concealer. Yeah, and I think I did a better bronzer too. Yeah, I did a better bronzer. I think that's it. I don't know, y'all, like I don't remember, but like the face still looks good. 10 minutes. Yeah. Now if you wanted me to try to do it with like powders, like a powder blush and like baking, we could try. I don't know about that, y'all, not just yet, but I do like the way it came out for 10 minutes because this is definitely an everyday look. Like, it's not too dewy, not too anything. Like, if you feel like it is, just go in and pat it and matte it down. Like, that's all you gotta do. Like, if you don't like it, pat it down. It'll solve the problem. But other than that, as an everyday look, I think this is cute. Like, it's not too cakey, not too harsh. It looks good for work, going out, just the everyday look. This is really kind of my everyday look-ish if I decide to do an everyday look. If it's not this one, I'm not gonna wear any foundation or like, yeah, any foundation, probably barely any brows, but like typically this is the look that I try to go for. Something that is like my skin, but better with a little bit of color, a little bit of like into it. This is what I like. But anyways, y'all let me know in the comments what you all think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Once again, we're on the road to 1K. We're less than 30 away. So I helped your girl. But anyways, y'all, thank you all for watching. I hope you all have an amazing week. It is Sunday when this video come out, so I hope everything is great. I hope your week starts well. I hope it ends well, and I hope you just continue to follow your goals and do everything that you want to do in life. But anyways, y'all, thank you all for watching, and I will see y'all Thursday with a new video. Bye.